Operation mechanism technology to produce super durable materials with high durability. High durability super strong materials manufacturing technology is a cutting edge technology that can produce materials with exceptional strength and durability. The technology utilizes high pressure and advanced materials to create materials that are stronger and more durable than conventional materials. In this article, we will explore the mechanisms of operation of high durability super strong materials manufacturing technology. The manufacturing process of high durability super strong materials involves the use of high pressure and advanced materials to create materials that have exceptional strength and durability. The technology operates on the principle of applying high pressure to materials to induce structural changes at the atomic level. This can involve the use of compression, shear, or torsion to create materials with unique and desirable properties. One of the key mechanisms of operation of high durability super strong materials manufacturing technology is the creation of dislocations in the crystal lattice of materials. Dislocations are defects in the crystal lattice that can increase the strength and durability of materials by preventing the propagation of cracks and fractures. The application of high pressure can induce dislocations in the crystal lattice, creating materials that are stronger and more durable than conventional materials. Another mechanism of operation of high durability super strong materials manufacturing technology is the creation of grain boundaries in materials. Grain boundaries are interfaces between the different grains or crystals that make up a material. The application of high pressure can induce the creation of grain boundaries, which can help to strengthen the material and prevent cracks and fractures from propagating. Moreover, the use of advanced materials such as carbon nanotubes and graphene can also contribute to the exceptional strength and durability of materials produced by high durability super strong materials manufacturing technology. These materials have unique properties that can enhance the strength and durability of materials, making them ideal for use in applications that require high strength and durability, such as aerospace and defense. The mechanisms of operation of high durability super strong materials manufacturing technology have significant implications for various industries and applications. For example, the technology can be used to produce lightweight and durable materials for use in aerospace and defense applications, or to produce materials with exceptional strength and durability for use in the construction industry. Moreover, the technology can also have significant environmental benefits by reducing the need for frequent repairs and replacements of materials, and by reducing the amount of waste generated by the manufacturing process. High durability super strong materials manufacturing technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries and sectors by providing materials with exceptional strength and durability. Here are some examples of the potential applications and benefits of this technology. Aerospace and defense. High durability super strong materials can be used to produce lightweight and durable materials for use in aerospace and defense applications. This can include materials for aircraft and spacecraft structures, as well as materials for protective equipment and armor. Automotive. High durability super strong materials can also be used in the automotive industry to produce lightweight and durable materials for use in vehicles. This can include materials for vehicle frames, engine components, and other critical parts. Construction. High durability super strong materials can be used in the construction industry to produce materials that are more resistant to wear and tear, and more durable in harsh environments. This can include